The number of Swazi artists performing at this year's Bushfire Festival has increased compared to last year. Artists include Sandzilso Matsebula, who has made a name for himself in neighboring countries. This was confirmed by the communications officer Ncedo Dlamini.
The Bushfire Music Festival is on the month end of May this year, but already tickets are being sold at a faster rate compared to last year. They are being bought by people in the country, neighboring countries, and countries abroad. According to Communications Officer at House on Fire, Ncedo Dlamini, Bushfire Festival preparations are all in order. The sale of tickets has doubled by 52%. She says they have confirmed at least 22 artists to perform thus far.
So with ticket sales, we have found that through our reports, our ticket sales have doubled by 52%, which means people are buying tickets at a faster rate compared to last year. And that is why we'd like to encourage our fans to rush to our outlets to buy tickets and also our website. Tickets are available at MTN service centers in Babane Corporate Place, Riverstone Mall, as well as All Out Africa here at House on Fire. There are also fans that would be able to buy tickets in Mozambique as well. Okay. Moving on to the lineup, we have so many artists that we have confirmed for this year. I think we have about 22 artists that we have already confirmed, and those artists include people like TKZ, Bombino, Baloji, Sense, local artists, Ngaba, 80 Script, as well as Jojo Abot, and so many other artists that have been selected across Africa. So it's going to be a very exciting lineup, and as usual, we hope that people will be happy.
She says this year's theme is about the environment and sustainability.
We have this year's theme, which is environmental and sustainability. So with environmental and sustainability, it means that the festival will be focusing on that theme for that year in the many different aspects that we look at. For instance, with our traders in the Global Food Village, as well as the handcraft and design market, we made sure that they stick to this theme. So with their packaging and everything that is sold.
For Swazi TV News, I'm Lungilele Makakula with Mbongwa Dube at Malkans.